Hi Bart, this is video number 2. As you probably heard at the end of that last video, my daughter came bashing into the house, so I don't want to start the whole video again, so I just stopped it there, and I'll continue on with this one. Okay, so we were on 25 to the half, and it's going to give us a square root. So this idea here is it's very neat. This reverse of 2, half, gives the reverse effect. So instead of squaring, square roots. For example, 27 to the third. Instead of cubing, I'm just going to cube roots because it's the reverse of 3. So it'll be cube root of 27. We'd write it like that. But as we go along with maths, we actually would prefer to write it using these powers instead of squiggly lines. Maths and squiggly lines don't really go together very well. And another neat thing about that is if I've got 25 to the half and I multiply it by itself, it adds up. Multiplication is addition. So 25 to the 1. Okay, so half and half is 1. So does that make sense? So this thing times that thing make 25. Well, yeah, because 25 to the half is 5, isn't it? So 5 times 5 is 1. There's 1. What? Sorry, half to half is 1. 5 times 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Oh, okay. So I just murdered that, but it's very neat. 25 to the half is 5 times by 25 to the half, which is 5, gives 25. And a half plus a half gives 1. And 25 to the 1 is 25. So this very neat thing that it works both ways. Okay, and then the final thing was we got to rule 7, as it's sometimes called. Really, it's just rule 6, just extended. It's just a variation of rule 6. So by rule 6 I mean this using of a fraction as a power, which produces a root. And I just said, can you, before, instead of me telling you, can you think about what it might be? So I'll leave that for you to think about, and hope you enjoyed this second video. The homework is just on the volumes. I've got some homework on powers, but that was just in the video there. You just did it yourself, didn't you? Where you had to do it yourself. Pause the video and do it yourself. So hopefully you did that and it all made sense. And then next week we'll continue on with that a bit and go from there. Okay, see you soon.